There's a special magic at Christmas time this year. Hearts are gay and merry.